na nag-iensayo na si Tory ngayon. However, ganito yan. Kung gusto mo lang talaga ng suntukan, bakit kailangan mo pa ng charity? Why do you need, kailangan mo pang gamitin yung nangyayari ngayon na baha dyan sa Metro Manila? Gusto mo, puntahan kita, walang kamera, suntukan tayo, walang gloves. Bakit pa kailangan mo ng masyado ka mang masubis? Well, di ko alam kung if you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga ha, but I cannot be there sa Sunday. I have other things to do. Pero Tuesday, available na ako. Tuesday, Wednesday, but not Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, or any other day. Kaya, I think mas okay para sa'yo kasi mas may oras ka pa para mag-ensayo. Kasi medyo yung pagsuntok mo, pag-jab mo, nakababa ka agad yung kamay mo, kailangan nakadepensa yan sa mukha mo. Pag-jab mo, balik ka agad sa mukha, ha? So, konting advice lang, mag-ensayo ka. I think you've succeeded in the smoke screen that you've provided for this administration. Na una, yung visit ni Marcos na tinatawag nila na a success where we got a 1% reduction of the 20% imposed tariff on us. So, tsaka yung baha dyan, ginagamit mo pa yung demise of the people, to divert real issues. So kung gusto mo talaga, dalawa lang yan. Either puntahan kita, tayo lang dalawa, magsama ka lang ng bodyguard mo para kung may mangyari sa'yo, at least may mag-alsa pa sa'yo sa hospital, suntukan tayo, walang gloves. Or kung gusto mo yon, ganito. These are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. So, wag lang Sunday, ilipat mo ng then kung papayag ka sa kondisyon ko, walang problema. Kung if it will answer the issues nitong bansa natin, I can do that. Matagal ko na rin, huwag ka mag-alala, Tore, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Huwag lang Sunday. Kasi hindi mo nga ako, nagsiset ka na schedule na hindi mo ako kinakausap na maayos. Mag-usap tayo ng maayos, tapos yung depensa mo, unahin mo muna. Medyo kapos eh. Okay naman yung suntok mo, may may laban. Oh, push up mo yung pinakiyod ba? Maganda. Sige. Kung gusto mo, you tell the president, all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test, let it come out of his mouth, then I will do it. Let's go. Sige. Or, kung lalaki ka talaga, suntukan tayo. Hindi naman kita hinamon. Sinabi ko talaga, pag nagsuntukan tayo, mabubugbog kita. Hindi kita hinamon, tanga. You're just as stupid as the journalist that asked you. Sige.
Tama. I think, klaro, no? That's your condition also. Kasi nag-set din siya ng condition.
Hindi naman pwede one-sided. Di ba? Ano to eh?
Both sides.
This is entertainment. Sige, sakyan ko yung smoke screen nyo sa real issues about the GAA, the PhilHealth, and yung recent visit ni Marcos na 1% na china-champion niya ngayon. Sige. Pero yun ang request ko. Hair follicle drug test for all elected officials, including the President himself. Tubag! Ayaw Sunday, nakuy lakaw. Sa mangka. May ano ako, it's a family day. It's a family day.
Tuesday or Wednesday, Mayor, next week.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you can take the time that he needs. You know?
Basta weekday.
Yun nga, so I think, what's really interesting here, Mayor, ba? This discussion about the boxing match came out of the blue. All of a sudden, pinag-usapan. Isipin mo, mas pinag-usapan pa sa SONA. So, I think people are more interested dito sa boxing match kaysa sa paparating na SONA.
You know, kaya nga, it's a classic move of mainstream media to make smoke screen or diversionary issues, so that people will turn their attention to other things. So para hindi nila pag-usapan kung what that Marcos visit to Trump, ano talaga yung significance nun. Kasi wala eh. He achieved nothing nung visit niya. 1%. Consuelo de Bobo na lang na ano.
And yun nga, just before we jump into that discussion, Mayor, no? So I think it's very clear in response to his acceptance ko ng challenge, Mayor. So he laid his conditions. So that's the conditions of the Mayor also.
Maghintay ka, huwag kang sino para sabihan ako na Sunday ka agad. Siraulo ka naman talaga.
I agree, no, Mayor.
Yes,
Mayor also mentioned earlier na they succeeded in trying to divert the attention of the
Correct.
people. Because as you can see, yung mga videos na lumabas, Mayor, talagang nagdala siya ng media. Ang dami nila doon habang nagte-training siya. So we can really see that it's a deliberate attempt to divert.
Yeah, may classic mainstream media tactics, but it's okay. Wala, kaya nga may conditions din ako, then may gusto din ako nung panahon pero pag-iusapan mo yung amo mo na magpa-hair follicle drug test siya. Kaming lahat. Publicly. Alam mo yun? Para tapusin na natin lahat to.